Hey, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
All right, good. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Are you keeping well today?
Yeah, how is going?
Oh, good, good, good. I'm just tired of winter. I want the cold to go. I've had enough
Yeah,
now. You know.
here is very hot temperature,
Yeah, but I'm still in winter, you see. A little bit a little cold,
Cool.
but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. And
Yeah,
well, I see you've got a nice lesson plan here. Childhood.
just today we just a conversation. You know the
Okay.
conversation, man.
Yeah, but can I ask you just to bring your microphone nearer, and
Yeah,
then I can hear you because it sounds very thin sound.
just one moment.
No,
Yeah, the
okay,
conversation.
yeah, absolutely, yeah, and
Fast.
yeah, okay, a general conversation always works, and
Yeah.
yeah, but I mean, all right, but now if
What
you
about now? Current situation in your state now? Current
with Corona,
virus.
well, you see. I'm a journalist by qualification, you see,
Yeah,
and
I saw
I,
your profile picture. You are a media.
yeah, I've been doing radio, TV, all that my whole life,
Also,
and
you work in university in lecturer.
yes, as well, yeah. But I get very
Where
angry.
in South Africa and outside of South Africa.
No, here in South Africa,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Which university you work
yeah, it's University of Technology.
in Cape Town,
No, in Johannesburg.
Johannesburg? How many years you work?
Oh, I started there in 2007.
Currently, right now working on
Yeah, well, look, I do many things. I do Cambly, I do the university, I do many things. So
multi-person, multi,
Y-
multi, multi.
Yeah, yeah. So at the end of the month, I've got about 5 or 6 places that pay me, so it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, but yeah, you know what? I get very angry with the media because
absolutely.
when I turned the TV on this morning, they say
Yeah,
we have 560,000 cases of corona. You know that how that makes the people feel. You feel like, oh, this is terrible, but they don't say 420,000 people have recovered. They're okay. Finished. But they talk 520,000, 520,000, blah, 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 all day.
negative matter only the highlighted.
Yes, you see. Now, the thing is, we have about active cases 130,000.
Okay.
Yes, we had 560,000, but now we have 130. And every day it's coming down. Okay. But of course, look, every day there's still people are being tested positive, and there's 3,000 odd. So it will go up, but the recoveries are so much higher than the infection rate. So it's coming down, coming down. But all they can talk about is, 560,000. We're all gonna die. Media,
Because the people, the media making the sensitive news every
yes,
day.
yeah. You
They
see,
get the advertisement. They get people anytime they're busy with the media.
yeah, you see, because people, we are all human, and humans don't like good news. They like they like murder, crime, scandal. Oh, it's going to be. People like to watch that. They like to read it. You see, if you're
Yeah,
if
media change the mind.
yeah, but have a look at when you watch TV
Okay.
series. Okay, now when you watch a TV series, now we're men. Okay, and if it's just a normal story, beautiful story, after like one episode, say, "Oh no, boring." No, we want car crashes. We want people to shooting. We want aeroplanes. And we want to see stuff. You understand? It's just the way we are. We like to see chaos and crazy
Yeah.
stuff. No,
The media who the control the corporate company and politicians will control the media.
Yeah, well, exactly. You see, because when you make people afraid, they control you. See, they can control you. You know, if they say, oh, 520,000 cases or 563,000 cases, you just sit at home like, oh, no. They have to tell you the right thing, you see? And and they need to give us the good news, not the bad news.
Yeah, but the every day like that, the give the news is very sensitive, and bad news the highlighted. The good news is just one the bottom the line, which is just only going. If you see the newspaper, the good news is last page and last just one paragraph.
Correct.
If you bad news, that sensitive news are they put the headline, the highlighted, the front page.
Yes. And I have had colleagues who have tried to do a good news newspaper. They've tried. Okay.
Okay.
Say, well, you know what? Most people would like to read. It failed. Nobody bought the thing. Nobody was interested in reading it. So that's the way people are. They want to see bad things. I don't know why. Us humans, we are all crazy, you know.
Also now is the people only the watching the TV. No more the TV. They will look only the YouTube. A lot of individual making the videos, tell the news is real news. The individual people and the social media. That some is the good. There's a lot of the rumor is coming. Same time, some news is before the coming. The when the turn the TV channel before the you got the news from YouTube. Some people doing every day put the news 5 minutes, 10 minutes like that.
Yeah,
The
well,
issue they will talk about the real news.
yeah, but you know, but this morning I was watching YouTube. Somebody sent me a link, and complete bad news. Really, like you know, somebody wants to take over the world, and they want to put chips into us, and all kinds of crazy theories. You know, so um, I don't mind people saying stuff, but you know, as a trained journalist, you always need evidence to say something. You know, if I do a story about you, okay,
Okay.
now I need to, let's say there's a story about you, one day you stole a car. Okay, now I'm a reporter. I
Okay.
need to talk to you and the police to hear both sides. And then I do my
Okay.
story. I don't hear one side or just your side. Because if I do your side, it, you cannot do a one sided story. You see, every time you present a story or you do any of the social media, you have to find the place where you got it from. And you must
Yes.
always ask somebody who is opposed to what you are writing. Say, this man says this thing, this man says that thing. You've got to have both sides. Your story must be balanced always.
Yeah. What do you think about the after the coronavirus, the economic, who will be control the world economy, the US or China?
Well,
Are you in Jan? Are you a media person?
look, um, look, before coronavirus, China and America were already had a lot of problems with the trade war between the two. Now, from what I'm seeing, is that I mean, President Trump is very angry with China
Yeah.
about the
Yeah.
virus. Now, it all depends what happens in November, the elections of
In US.
yes, whoever's going to be the next president. If it remains with Donald Trump, China America relations are going down.
Down.
Yeah. If the other
More
guy
crisis.
if the other guy wins, it will improve slightly, I think. But
Mhm.
who knows what's going to happen in November at this time? We don't know. You see,
We don't know.
no, we don't know. We have no idea how it's going to work because the coronavirus has made a big impact on the American economy. American economy was strong. Now it's down, as is the
Down.
whole world. I mean, this morning they were talking about some Saudi oil company. Their
Yeah.
their profit is down 70%. 70.
Yes.
Because from March, April, May, June, July, people are not driving around too much.
6 months. 6 months is the 6 month is lockdown. 6 months is nothing doing. Everything off. Last 6 months from March to still now.
Yes, yeah, but
Industrial, aviation, and hotel management, hotels, tourism,
yeah, but,
everything off.
yeah, but what I'm trying to say, in my car, I put in about equivalent of about $20 of gasoline. In March, I still have that in my car. You see,
Still the parking.
I still have that $20 of look. I've used some, but I've only put in fuel once. No, normally I would
Yes.
use perhaps about $200 per month, US dollar. I'm still with that $20 from March. It's now August, middle of August,
Yeah.
and I still have fuel. I go from here, I drive to the store, I come back. I'm not using fuel because if I use fuel, Saudi Arabia's economy goes up because I'm using gasoline, but people are not driving
Okay.
that much, and so the whole world's economy is in trouble. The whole world, you know. That's all I want for now. For
Yes.
now, we have 5 seconds. I'll see you. It was good talking to you.
Yeah.
Ciao.
We will see
Bye bye.
next
Yeah.
time.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.